In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stop motion effect in CapCut step using a simple effect that gives your video that choppy, frame-skipping look. This is a great way to make your edits feel more stylized, more dynamic, and a lot more eye-catching, whether you're editing a short clip, a reel, or a full social media video. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and bring your video into the project. To do that, import your footage and drag it onto the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, make sure it is selected and ready to edit. This is important because the effect needs to sit directly above your video track, so it follows the entire clip properly. Now that your video is in place, go to the Effects tab in the top left menu area. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of its video effects, transitions, and visual styles. Once you're inside the Effects section, look for the search bar under Video Effects. Here, type FPS Lag. This is the effect we're using to create that stop-motion style look. After you search for it, you should see the FPS lag effect appear in the results. Now drag that effect onto your timeline directly above your video track. Make sure it lines up with your clip, because if the effect is too short, it will only apply to part of the video. Stretch the duration boundaries of the effect so it fully covers the entire length of your footage. That way, the stop-motion look stays consistent from beginning to end. Next, click on the effect track so you can fine-tune it. On the upper right side of your screen, you should see the Details panel. This is where CapCut lets you adjust the look and intensity of the effect, find the speed or intensity slider, depending on your version of CapCut, and start adjusting it slowly. If you want a subtle stop-motion feel, keep the setting lower. If you want a more dramatic choppy effect, raise the intensity a little more. The key here is to test and preview the clip as you go. A small adjustment can make a big difference in how the final edit feels. If the effect looks too strong, dial it back. If it doesn't feel obvious enough, increase it until the motion looks intentionally stylized. The goal is to create a stop-motion effect that fits your video and still looks clean. Once you're happy with the result, play the whole clip back from the start and make sure the effect is smooth across the full timeline. Check that the FPS lag effect is covering everything properly and that the choppy motion looks consistent. If needed, you can always go back and tweak the slider again until it feels right. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a stop-motion effect in CapCut using the FPS lag video effect. It's a quick and easy trick that can completely change the feel of your edit and help your content stand out more on social media. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tricks, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.